Here are 10 more reasons why your alternate picking might suck and how to fix it. Number 1, you use the same patterns. You're using the same patterns over and over. Expand your repertoire to avoid getting stuck in a rut. Number 2, you're picking too hard. Ease up on your picking hand for better control and a cleaner tone. Number 3, you're picking too soft. If you're picking too soft, you lose in attack and articulation. Find the sweet spot. Number 4, you're playing beyond your capabilities. Slow down, master the technique and gradually build speed. Number 5, you stick to one anchor point. Experiment with different positions to see what works best for different styles. Number 6, you're only picking from the wrist or the elbow. Combine the benefits of both for flexibility and precision. Your guitar hardware is getting in the way. Bridges or volume knobs can mess up your picking. Find a setup that works for you. 8, your tone is wrong. Too much mid or gain will make your picking sound messy. Dial in a tone that's crisp and clear. Number 9, you need to rest. Fatigue affects precision. Take breaks to keep your picking sharp. And finally, number 10, again, you haven't bought my masterclass. My alternate picking course over at jtcguitar.com will give you everything you need to know to nail this technique. Fix these mistakes and take your alternate picking to the next level.